Hello guys, welcome. On today's tutorial we are going to show you how to stack Sentinel datasets. Right now, on our previous tutorial we have been able to clip, and then we have also been able to rescale. If you look at it, we have band 5, 6, 7, 8A, 11 and 12, and then you see a prefix called RS. That simply means we rescaled it. The original dataset was a 20-meter resolution imagery. However, after the rescaling, we have brought it to a 10-meter resolution, as it is with the native band 3, which is also what a 10-meter resolution, right? So what we are going to do now is that we are going to stack all of these bands together in the order of 2, 3, 5, 8, 11 and 12, right? So we come to raster, miscellaneous, build virtual raster, and then we go to the input. Remember, the order with which you arrange them is very important. So we go 2, is that 2, 3, 4, 8, then 11 and 12, which were the 220-meter resolution that we resampled towards 10-meter resolution, right? Good. So we click on OK. Now you need to also check place each input file into a separate band. It is very, very important, right? Now after you have done that, under the advanced parameters, you can just leave it as default as it is. Then you can just browse to save. Okay, so we have a folder called stack, and then we call the file name stacked. We click on OK, and then we run. However, before we leave, we are going to convert this virtual raster into a permanent one. So we still come back to raster. Under conversion, we go to convert format. What we are converting is what? This. Then the projection is optional. However, what we still need is zone 32. And then no data value, you can leave it as default as it is, or you can introduce a no data value if you want to. We still leave the advanced parameters as default as they are. Then we come to the converted. Now we have options, right? So what are you converting it to? There are different data formats, mostly raster data formats. However, we started with VRT, but we want it to be either a TIFF file or any other file, but basically we want it to be a TIFF file, right? So we select that, then we still call that stacked. Okay, then we click on save, then we run. Good. So this is the permanent file. Double click on that. The resolution is still the same, and then you can see we have about 6 bands in it. That represents the 6 bands that we have stacked together, right? If you come down to symbology and then you click on the different bands, you will see the channels, you will see different bands that can pass. So this tells us that this our data set has been stacked. So subsequently we can use it to form some RGB composite, maybe use it to perform classification as the case may be. So if we just try to, okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Remember we did 2, 3, 4, 8, 11 and 12, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11 and 12, right? Good. So it means that band 2 is band 1. So let's say 3, 2, and then maybe any other band as the case may be. So you are going to see that what it affects what is being displayed. So we'll see how we can use it for band composite in our subsequent tutorial. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.